Hey, my name is Jay, and I want to welcome you to the Financial UA General Service Office located here in Baltimore, Maryland. So come on in and grab a seat, and let's get this meeting started. In today's video, we're going to talk about our brand new Financial UA Golden Ratio Workbook. Yes, that's right. We have a Golden Ratio Workbook to go along with our Golden Ratio Workshop. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what went into writing and creating this workbook. By the way, this workbook is incredible. It's outstanding. It is very prosperous and is absolutely saturated and overflowing with recovery. Let me tell you a little bit more about this workbook. We researched this for literally years and planned for this for such a long period of time. And during that time, we also reached out and interviewed dozens and dozens, really probably over 100 different prosperous people in recovery and a couple of people outside of recovery to gather together the most powerful, the most effective, the most prosperous, and yes, the most recovered strategies and methods to help you and me and the rest of our members to go from wherever we start, whether it's being unemployed, underemployed, but generally to go from a place of financial under-earning towards the direction of becoming a Financial UA 12-step millionaire. Our writing team reached out to so many different people to hear about and to collect their stories of experience, strength, and hope, of recovery and prosperity, and of the specific methods and techniques that they used to become successful, prosperous, and wealthy, while at the same time building healthy bridges between God, money, and spirituality, and bringing all those things together in a healthy and sustainable way. Our workbook contains stories and shares from at least a dozen different people, and we absolutely thank and appreciate our Financial UA members who have contributed to helping this workbook be so powerful and incredible and authentic. This workbook covers methods ranging from how to get a job to how to maximize your earning and your income, how to develop an earning plan, how to develop a savings plan, how to develop a plan for repaying any debt that you may have. The workbook also covers how to develop a prudent reserve and a solid plan for savings. And then it also covers how to build and develop your wealth through investing. And there's even a top secret special chapter, which I'm not going to tell you too much about, but we included this incredible top secret chapter just to give you a little bit more on top of the rest of the stories and the rest of the experience and the rest of the gentle, prosperous suggestions. We wanted to give you everything, and if we could, we would have fit the kitchen sink in there too. I'm also going to put a link right up here if you'd like to learn more about the Golden Ratio process. I'd like to offer a gentle suggestion to our Financial UA members. If you're interested in getting a copy of the Golden Ratio Workbook, you might consider starting by getting a prosperity envelope. Once you have your prosperity envelope, you might want to consider putting some money in it. And as always, if you have any questions about the Financial UA Golden Ratio Workbook or the Financial UA program or any other part of the recovery process to help you recover from financial under-earning, do feel free to reach out to us at financialua.org, that's our website, or you can email us directly at financialua@gmail.com. To make it a little bit more easy and convenient for you, I'm going to put a link in the description section below, where you can click that link and it'll take you directly to our Financial UA literature order page so that you may get a copy of the Financial UA Golden Ratio Workbook for yourself. And of course, all of the transactions are conducted through PayPal, so it's a very safe and secure process, and you can get your copy of the Golden Ratio Workbook immediately as an electronic download as an ebook in Microsoft Word format. And of course, be on the lookout. We are going to send Zoom link emails to all of our members in Financial UA as long as you've signed up for our PowerFlow email newsletter. We're going to send you the links and invitations so that you can attend our brand new Golden Ratio workshops, again, led by qualified sponsors in Financial UA. And as always, if you have any questions about any part of Financial UA, or comments or suggestions about how we can make this program better, or other topics that you would like us to make a video to address, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Now it's time for sharing. I want to encourage you to share your experience, strength, and hope about participating in the Golden Ratio workshops. What did you like best about the Golden Ratio, and what do you look forward to once you get a copy of our new Golden Ratio workbook? Once again, I want to thank you. I want to encourage you to keep coming back and to let you know we appreciate you, and I want all the best things for your recovery and your prosperity. I want to just wish you a wonderful rest of your day, and of course encourage you to keep coming back. Take care. Talk to you soon.
God grant us the serenity to accept the things we cannot change, courage to change the things we can, wisdom to know the difference, and the prosperity